I am Dr. C.L. Venkatrao. Is there any relation between diabetes and sleep? Yes. Diabetes and sleep, they have a very close link. Diabetic people who are stout and obese, they are likely to get sleep apnea. Snoring. When they sleep, they snore. They snore like a lion. That is called sleep apnea. If sleep apnea is there, next day they will not be fresh. Some people, they lose interest in their life. Even they may get suicidal tendencies. They look tired, sleepy. They don't like to mingle with the friends. They become short-tempered and the memory is lost and they get forgetfulness. The people with sleep apnea, the tendency for heart attack and brain strokes, hemiplegia is more. So diabetic patients who are getting snoring and sleep apnea, they have to use a machine called CPAP machine. Such are those people who are using CPAP machine during sleep, they are very comfortable. Then there is a link between sleeping hours and diabetes. Normally for adults 7 to 8 hours of sleep is required. If it is less than 6 hours, sleep is less. It is not desirable. Similarly, if it is more than 9 hours, it is too much. So too much or too less is not desirable. Too much of sleep, too less sleep, both of them may predispose and lead to type 2 diabetes. So optimal sleep is desirable. When you sleep well, there is a hormone which is produced from the brain that is called melatonin. This melatonin regulates the blood sugar and controls the diabetes. So when the blood sugar is not controlled, insulin and tablets are not taken properly, what happens? When the blood sugar is very high, night time they have to get up very frequently for urination. So every time they get up once in 2 hours, 3 hours for urination, this frequent urination is a phenomena what we observe if the blood sugar is not properly controlled. So the sleep gets disturbed. So every 2 hours you get up, sleep is disturbed, next day you will have all symptoms of sleeplessness. So there is a close link between sleep and diabetes. All people having obstructive sleep apnea must use CPAP machine. Whom should you consult? The sleep apnea, the specialist who is going to deal with this problem is pulmonology specialist or lung specialist is the right specialist for you to consult.